I was trying to get things to work. They're just not working, which is a proper pain in the butt. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's get the show on the road. Boom, boom, boom. It feels like it's been a really busy day, and it is only 9 a.m., which is absolute insanity, but here we are. Try again, let's see. Up in. If things could work, that would be just amazing. Absolutely amazing. There we go. Okay, things are working. It took a minute, but things are now working. Oh. Okay, what did I miss? What did I miss from yesterday? I feel like I've missed some good things. Did I? I mean, kind of. I came, took the highs, and then just melted again. Yeah, these are not the hectic moves I thought they would be at all. Okay, well, let's see now. Hey, Trade Delicious, you are. How wild. How are you? How's it going? How's the trading been? And David, hey, what up? Scalper, how are you doing? How's it going? Are we all ready for this day? No. Adjust my pillow, there we go. And Jonathan, hey, how are you? Hey, Tube, how's it going? Okay. Are we all ready? What do we think's gonna happen today? I'm a little bit underwhelmed with the movements that appeared to happen yesterday. I mean, a massive drop this morning. That I wasn't expecting that from the Asia session, but cool. Hey, Pesho, how you doing? How you doing? Oh, thanks, Jonathan. I appreciate it. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How are you? And Jonathan Taylor. Oh, I got 2 Jonathans. That's so cool. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. You know, can't complain. I've started the day. There's actually some sunshine today. There's actually sunshine today. So I had to get like a head start, did washing, did some exercise. You know, when the day starts with burpees, it can only get better. David, you're from India. That's so cool. Hello, hello. Kafu, how you doing? How's it been going? How's that audiobook going? Have you started it yet? Jonathan, what am I doing at the moment? I should probably start focusing. Actually, that's what I'm doing at the moment. I should probably start getting a grip, and seeing which direction we're gonna go. Is this just gonna be chop freaking city again, which is gonna be frustrating? Let's see if this trade would have worked. This is not a terrible one. Actually, I think I'm just a bit too late for it. Let's check out the 15-minute quick. A bit of a retest, but it's still a lower high. Okay, let's see if this is staying bearish now. Asia opened with a bang. I haven't seen Asia do those movements in a while. And let's check the hour. Let's see. Let's see which direction this is gonna go. What do you guys think is gonna happen today? Nice positive energy. Thanks, Scalper. Like I said, if you start the day with burpees, it's only gonna be... Yo, hi. You were inside my home. I highly doubt it, because my dog would tell me very quickly. No, I'm joking. Don't worry, Kofu. Mohammed! Northeast India. That's cool, Atheo. That's super cool. Am I interested in games? I am. I am interested in games. I'm not going to lie though, I haven't been able to play. I hate my view app so much. Well, anyways, I've tried to sort it out like 5 times. Everyone's given me different tips and it keeps moving. Anyways, sorry. ADHD kicked in a little bit there, but love my red fingernails. Listen, just don't look at the thumb. It's half come off and it is what it is, but thank you. Well, I say ironically, but these are actually my real fingernails. I don't do the fake fingernail things. British or Australian? Neither. I am South African. Texas, you're bearish, but in a long right now. Okay, just I'm assuming a like super short long, but you're feeling bearish. Texas, I'm agreeing with you with the bearish. Yeah, I'm agreeing with the bearish. Let's see. Do you think this is just gonna be choppy again? I'm so sick and tired of the chop. Anyways, Tube Treasure, you think will go down? Okay. Akoi, word of the day. That's it. Word of the day. I don't know, maybe shenanigans, because that is what goes on here. Chima, what up? How you doing? An only true trader, how are you? I don't know, maybe we have to stoop down to other— Ooh, no, sorry. You guys are not ready for the sass just yet. Anyways. Never safe. Thank you. Where are you from, by the way? Rage? Hello. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. It's on its own mission, but I'm just going with it. I'm going with it. Correct. You think it's gonna go take out the Asia high? Okay, cool. Hey, Lucy Skyboo. Cool name, by the way. From— Thank you. I look Nordic. Okay, I am half Portuguese. Portuguese on my father's side, so maybe that's it. That's me thesis. Okay, Texas. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm not popping in this just yet. I'm hoping we get some decent moves. Hopefully at 9:30. We'll get something good. Word of the day, full port. Only true trader, you're coming in here causing rubbish. Gosh, anyways. Why don't I become a gaming content creator? I am, yeah, I'm not good enough for that. That sounds bad, but I am shockingly bad at games. Yeah. Shout out from prison. Cool. Hi. Something in Afrikaans. I'm not great at Afrikaans. I'm very English, but I can say something in Afrikaans. I'm just gonna say it's very warm today. It is baie warm vandag. Yeah. Kiko! Hi, how are you doing? Kevin, no, I was not. Ah. Wait, I've been getting chopped up in the past 2 weeks, having to cover all my huge drawdowns by the end of the day, so not worth inconsistent volatility. Yeah, Red Panda, I completely agree with you. Can I just say, assuming makes an ass out of you. Just anyways. Never say if you're from USA. Ooh. Oh, Pennsylvania. That's so cool. That is so cool. Don't worry, Lucy, I got it. Full porting is life. Only true trader. Oh my gosh, we are. Yeah. Oh, you know, staying in the green. Nice, Kiko. As long as you're staying in the green, then we happy chappy. Let's see. Texas, you think now we go up. Missouri, hi. That's so cool, Robert. Trading with Grow. Hey, how are you? Yeah, only true trader. I'm too scared to try that. I'm terrified. Part of me really wants to, just out of curiosity, but I feel like that's just straight up gambling. Really? Why is there nothing cool about living there right now? Is it just, I don't know. Life. Hey, Maria, hi. Do I have a Telegram? I do not have a Telegram group. What is going to be coming soon, I will send a shout out or a message, but Discord is happening soon. Bronzen, I was looking at the short. I'm not in this though because I need confirmation. It's not worth getting into this chop. So I know Texas is in long, right? Texas, yeah. I'll be back. Let me place and bet mine once. Hope it runs upwards. Okay, okay. Texas, but maybe not for long. Let's see. So let's see if this trade would have worked out for me. I would have placed it around here. TP just below. Texas, ooh, actually, let me not ask that question. I feel like it sometimes, I don't want to say jinxes people, but I wanted to ask where your stop loss was. But you can just send a whoop whoop or a thumbs down. I'll know what that means. Texas, yeah, valid. Damn, Bronzen. Okay. Wow. Okay, Texas, you just reversed. Watch it go back up now. Watch it go back up now. That would be so disrespectful. I'm gonna quickly check something. 2 minute. Wow, that's a hectic doji on 2 minute. I mean, this is not a terrible trade. There's just absolutely no momentum. Do you think it's gonna pick up in the next like 10 minutes? Or is this just it? Is this what London is for today? Let me zoom in, it makes it look a little less sad. There we go. Then it looks like we have some stuff happening. No, it would have hit my TP. Well, meh, it would have been close to hitting my TP. Let me not be too full of it. Yeah, Texas NQ's been an extra sassy diva recently, and it's not fun. Cloud info and technology. Heyo, what up? Only true trader? I'm not sure. I mean, theoretically, theoretically it should. Have you tried? It's probably good to invest in chip making companies. I mean, yeah, probably not wrong. Damn, it would have been a win. Huh. That would have been a win. Okay, now let's see if there's a bit of a bigger retest or not. I mean, it did take out a bit of liquidity now. There's a little bit more further down. Do we think it's just staying on this downward path? Probably. How big is this? Ciao. Nope. Ciao. Okay, so this is still quite small. This is why? Why do you keep freaking moving? I'm gonna get cooked. How am I gonna get cooked? I mean, I haven't even placed the trade yet. I am actually waiting until 9:30, so yeah. Really? Hey, Lucy! If things go good for me, can I buy you a husky dog? Why do you want a husky? Hello, when you can have a cute little rescue potato like this. Stop being so shy. Come say hi. Okay, or not. He doesn't want to come say hi today, sorry. He's right here, you can see. Nope, nope. No, he's fighting. Hi, life. What's up? How's it going? Oh, thanks, Lucy. You're so sweet. Wait, why are you gonna get back into Forex, Only True Trader? Are you giving up on NQ? I don't blame you. But, anyways. Barnett, you're going short right now? Sniffy? Yeah? Sniffiest? Hello? Yeah? Yeah, I've never traded Asia. I've only done London. I know London Open is London Open 9 or 9:30 in South Africa? I've heard both. I think it's 9:30. So I am waiting. Interesting. That makes sense though. Ah, thank you. Yeah, listen, it's all about the journey, right? To be trading. Sorry, I should probably say what I'm reading. Whilst you guys don't know what I'm responding to. The seeing you trading is a nice change of pace. Yeah. Listen, it's nice to have a nice community of like-minded people to be here to just... How do I put this? Be here to support one another. Hey, Thimbers, how are you doing? Sniffies? Yes. London has been trading really well recently. New York has not, which is kind of sad because normally it's the other way around. But New York has been trash the last few days. The good guy, hey yo, what up? Tribbled TV, hey, good morning. Good morning in South Africa, how you doing? What strategy do I use? So I have my own little strategy. It's a little GAN box over here. I draw using the range. So theoretically, this is the bigger range. In all honesty, that should be the range I use, but obviously there's a little bit of discretion that comes into play, like obviously liquidity grabs and obviously some confluences. So this one would be the better one, especially on the higher time frames, because I got a VWAP. Not yet, don't ask me why, my VWAP keeps freaking moving. I've tried to fix it like 5 times. Anyways, on the higher time frames, the VWAP is lower down. I got VWAP, I got a fair value gap, and I got an order block and a bit of a, I call it a shelf as protection. So this is not a terrible trade. Like I said, I'm waiting until proper open at 9:30 before I do anything, because that could potentially be a shift. That's basically what I'm waiting for. Maybe it's a dumb idea, maybe it's gonna go down, but point is, sorry, range, 50% is the entry, 30% of the 50% is stop loss, and 2R down is take profit. Yeah, that's basically the strategy. Like I said, obviously there's a little bit of discretion and with regards to confluences and liquidity grabs. So you have to just use big brains sometimes. But yeah, that's basically a very short and sweet description. Tube Treasure, you're gonna stay with ES today? I mean, Mort. Probably the smarter decision. Trading is like a gamble, right? I mean, it's more about probability, I would say. But I guess if you're doing it just jumping in, not taking anything else into consideration, yes, that's gambling. Aw, thank you. Simba's, I'm not gonna say I'm good. I'm not gonna say I'm good. I'm still learning. So I've only been trading since April. So I'm still very much learning and figuring things out as I go along. This strategy I've only been using for like the past 2 months. Before that, I was kind of strategy hopping. Disaster. Absolute disaster. Don't do it. So I'm not gonna say I'm good. I'm gonna say I'm learning, and the community here is the best. Is thebomb.com. Hey Fulcus, what up? This is London opening. No? Am I? Is it early? I sing sometimes to ease yourself from pressure. I play games most time to calm my nerves, especially when the trend starts going against me. Simba, that's when I kind of just chat to you guys. You'll see I sometimes hum random things. Or I just become weird. Those kind of work. But in between trading sessions, so I trade London and I trade New York. And in between the sessions I go and I see my horses, and that helps me just ground myself again. You have to step out from the market for a while. Several videos on ICT as I end up trading. Yeah, that happens. Sniffies, yeah, that happens. Fulcus, that's amazing. All I can say, Fulcus, with regards to feeling a stiff, those DOMs hitting you. DOMs, training-wise, is delayed onset muscle stiffness. But what can you do? I mean, go for a walk, do stretches, maybe do like a little bit of yoga. That's the only thing I can say that can help. Just try get the lactic acid out. Oh, nice, Yesh. Well done. Damn. Maria, yes, I come on this time every day, and then I come on again during the New York session as well. So I trade both London and New York. Speaking of, is it half past yet? It is. Okay. It is officially half past, which means we can now potentially get a trade in. Let's see, this kind of made a higher. My brain's telling me this is a bad idea. I'm not liking that. I still have a lot of emotions involved. Once they're gone, you'll snipe every entry. Andre, no, I literally, all the trades I take are online. Or live, sorry, online live. I literally don't take any trades off. Off of the live. Like I said, when I'm off, I close my everything and I go to the stables. So literally every single trade I take is live for you guys to see. I don't take anything on the side ever. Finance is not good. I guess it depends on the person. Hamza, what is my goal? My goal is to be free. That sounds sad, but you know, financial freedom, all of that good stuff. See, this was the right idea if it had come down further, but alas, it did not. Okay. Ooh, Captain Crunch. Good question with regards to most profitable for London. Sorry, I'm gonna use South Africa time quickly. So for me, it's between 10. Yeah, between 10 and 11. I feel like that's pretty decent. So this half an hour first, meh. Again, you know, it depends on the day. But in general, I feel those times are the best. Michael Buerta, no, I trade London and New York session. And there's Volkos being weird. Buy side liquidity is clearly go to sell. There we go. Oh, thank you, Lucy. Enjoy the rest of your day. Aw. Terrible. Maria, you think this is breakout? Oh, my goodness. Oh, focus. No, I know. No, don't worry. So if price trades, oh my gosh, and closes within encouragements, shorts is the way to go. I agree. I was waiting for it to give this little tap into VWAP. Like I said, my bias for now, I know, you know, you must shift your bias if it presents itself, but my bias for now is bearish still. This was just looking like a good potential scalp for a quick buy. And like I said, it actually would have been a goodie if it had come back down a little bit more. Evelyn, hey, I'm good, thanks, and you? In your 5 years of trading, emotions play the best of me. Even if my setup for A+, I would always have that thought. What if it doesn't work? Oh, don't worry. So, Andre, so literally, that's my most recent struggle. So, if we have a quick look at these past trades. There we go. So you see 10 of 10, 9 of 10. So I gave myself just take 10 trades. Stop overthinking it, just take them. And that's essentially, do you see what I mean about my stupid VWAP? Why does it keep moving? I've tried. Anyways, sorry. That's my little rant done. Anyways, what I was saying was I then had to take those 10 trades. If it was a good setup, just take it regardless of the outcome. Just stop overthinking it as much. Obviously, make sure it's an A+ and have your confluences. So don't butcher your strategy just because you want to take the trades. So there I did 10 of 10. And now I'm going to do 10 again. And this time I'm not going to do break-evens because the break-evens, yeah, actually ended up not working out because I would end up losing some profit because I think, let's say I did 6 break-evens. I think it was like a half and half. So I would have lost 3 and I would have won 3. But with the 1 to 2 hour strategy, it means you've then missed out on a 3-hour profit. Yeah. Saint Taffy, my accent is from South Africa. Well, I am South African. Sniffy, yeah, that's exact. Not a guarantee, but a bias, yeah. Oh, Jerry, happy birthday. You turned 28. That is so cool. You are a year older than me. Focus. No. Focus. Okay, cool. There we go. Yeah, there's no set. Well, wait. Let's see. Like I said, I'm waiting now for some confirmation. How did I have this one? I had this one here. Oh, that would have been very close. That would have been very close. This is how I had my previous setup for a short. Why does this kind of look good? Well, okay, I'm jumping the gun a little bit. This could now start popping up. Shrink the chart and scroll back. It will reset it. Highly annoying for sure. Oh, thanks, Ronnie. Yeah, I'll definitely do that then. Yash, this is futures. AR, you know what? They're good. They're good. My horse saw the dentist yesterday, and now he's getting a vaccine, if you will, today. They have to have them. It's like the law. Yeah, shame. So he's probably not loving me right now, but it is what it is. Yes, Vestergold. I am really from South Africa. Sniffles proper. I'm proper. Nasdaq need another buy side liquidity grab. Lekker, yeah. RS, I mean, nothing so far, so yeah. I'm waiting for, anyways. I'm just waiting for a proper setup. Or at least confirmation. Like I said, unfortunately, I can't trade in this chop. This one I missed. This would have actually been a win. Oh well, it is what it is. And I was looking at this bigger range. That would have been close. I would have been stressed, but it is, you know, it's fine. Andrew, for me, it's only 2 a day as I don't trade my equities. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. And you have to take 2 trades a day? Or is it fine if you take less? Yeah, I love tech. MNQ is driving me insane. There's no direction. There's no... yeah, there's just... It's just frustration. Oh, sorry. Been having this bottle chill there the whole time. YOLO though, short now, the sky is falling. You think so. You think this is now short. I mean, it is bouncing off of VWAP. This was the entry for where I wanted it earlier. This is, yeah. This volume's just not great today. Go on, Yesh, that's perfect. Yeah, why not? Oh, Tube Treasure, you're in a trade, long or short? I'm assuming short. Are you short? AR, right? I don't know when I last got anything done, but my horse gets everything. Lucky fish. Not sure. Hey, what up? Saying Taffy? No, not really. I mostly just look for retracements and continuation. Matthew Wiley, hi. So Sniffies, 2 trades, 3 or 4. It really depends on what you're comfortable with. Less is more. Sniffies, you know what? I think it depends on how the market looks that day. So, you know, some days I get lucky. Some days I can get 4 trades in. Yesterday I got 2 trades in. So, yeah. I was really good at making money through trading. Muppet Chops, this is teach Maya trading, not Maya teaching trading. I'm not here to teach trading. I'm not here to hide anything. I'm not profitable yet. I've only been trading since April. And I have no secrets. But anyways, Tube Treasure short, awesome. Hey, there we go. Eli, what up? Yeah, NQ is starting to be a little bit excessive. Here we go. That's the problem. I feel this could literally go either way. So I had this set up here. So that now would have tagged me in. I could be in either a short or sell or a buy right now. I do think it's going to go short though. I mean, I'm wanting it to go short. Let's maybe change that. Warriors Academy, hi, what's up? Really? Sniffies. Oh, flip. That's annoying. Like I said, I think I'm just trying to get more consistent. Like, more consistent wins, more consistent just with taking the trades. But again, I know that's more of a mental thing, right? Maria, you think this is just a retest? Yeah, capital's a pain in the butt. What do you trade, Sniffies? Are you on the MNQ as well? Warriors Academy, hi again. Khan, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. And Silver Bullet Trader, right? Yeah. Hi. So out of curiosity, why... Yeah, anyways, out of curiosity, why do you not trade the MNQ, the micro Nasdaq? So that you don't blow through capital quickly. That's why I'm on the MNQ. Oh, gosh. If this market could do something, that would be just great. That would be great. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. That's valid. That's valid. That's a valid answer. As long as you know why. Yeah, anyways. Just making sure. Sorry, I saw the vet tried to call me, which freaks me out a little bit. Just make sure everything's fine. Get up, get up. There we go. Just organizing with regards to the vet. Silver Bullet Trader, so I use some concepts, not all of them, but like the fair value gap, the order block, liquidity, you know, VWAP, I don't want to say the basics, but the basics. Ryan, what up? Zar, how's it going? How's it going? Okay. Carlos, you need my soul? You need my soul? Why do you need my soul? That's a bit rude. But anyways. Let's see. If trade MQ English is the same thing, it also matters on your risk management. No, that's valid. That's valid. But like as a beginner, if you don't want to blow through capital while you're figuring things out, and while you're still getting better at risk management, would MNQ then not be I want to say the easier way to go? Thanks, Barnett. Appreciate it. Ooh, you know, Sniffies, it sounds like we have similar. I go off of continuations as well, not this chop fest. I do have some bad news though. I might have to leave a little bit early today because now the vet is magically going to be early. They're supposed to be there not so early anyways. And I have to get my horse's passport there, which is fun, which is lots of fun and very frustrating. It does mean I might have to leave a little bit earlier today. Sorry about that, guys. Looking at 25196 at the draw. What? Patrick, you think it's going that high? Is that what? But I don't. I do. And it's also, I use some of the concepts, so I don't strictly use everything, but I do. I go between the 2, 3, and 5 minute as well to get confirmation. That's it. Words, English, good. One, 9, 6. Up left. Okay, so you think it's gonna pop all the way up here? From here. Okay. Okay, Patrick. One, 9, 6 is opening the area high. See taps high. Pretty. Yeah. Why would it not be headed for some loops? Hey Tony, what's up? How's it going? It's not more so that it'll pop there, but a trade executed from that point would be a higher probability. Okay, I see. One, 9, 6. I mean, does it not also depend on what type of range you want to be using? If you want a quicker trade, if you want a longer trade, does that not come into play? Tony, just good. Only good. Any trades in? Whoop, this would have been a loss. My second one was looking at this area. This is just excruciatingly annoying. Top GG, top watch for gold, buys later. Okay. Oh, sorry, hiccups. Blowing capital is part of the game. Trying to get it down. 100%. Trend is friend. But right now, trend is sideways. So that doesn't work for me, unfortunately. YOLO though, maybe double top, potentially. It could be a double top. Let's see. Ow, my foot's gone numb. Okay, Sniffy, however, last week London session was poppin'. It was awesome. And to be fair, New York has been looking like this. New York has been looking no better recently. Hey! Looks like this would have been a win. Damn. You can, Knight. Go for it. Hey Gaurav, how's it going? Ah, okay. So that one would have been a win. Ooh, if it comes back down one last time before it takes out the high, this could be a potential. No, it's just heading for the high now, isn't it? Broke that level. Now I'm gonna say screw you, because this would be good for a long. Nah, this is not gonna come back down. Or is it? Wait, let's just quickly set this up in case. Let's just make it 4 because this is a small range. Let's see, I don't know if it's gonna come back down that far to get me. But this is, I think this is a really decent trade. Hey Bob, what's up? Yeah, Sniffies, yeah, New York has been shocking. Shocking. Trader J, what's up? Sniffies, yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. I don't know if it's gonna come and get me though, unfortunately. Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Night, no, I did not. But if you want to, you can send it to me on email, then I can give it a watch. Yeah? Good. I can entry buy on the bullish or whatever. I don't know if it's gonna go down that far though. That would be a very good entry. As you can see, it's kind of where my stop loss is. If it does go down, I think this is a safe entry zone. I could be wrong and it could come and tag me out and then I know. But at least I've placed this trade. I've got my confluences in place. It should be a goodie. Cool, Knight. That sounds like a plan. Awesome, awesome. Tony, Nasdaq future. Yeah. Traded at if it takes, right? If it takes being the keyword there. Let's see. This might just pop back up. And then that's that. Marzia, hi! How are you? How's it been going? Like, I mean... yeah. I sometimes forget to turn the subtitles off on my face. And then everyone can just see what I'm thinking. Yeah. If you ever want to know what I'm thinking, just, I guess, look at my face and it's pretty obvious. Also, hi Nick, how you doing? Karen, hi! Trader Kane FX. The guy explains Kane's strategy with backtesting on replay. Okay, cool, night. Thank you. Thank you. I'll go check it out. Aw, Lifecraft, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm all ready to go to the stables. Marzia, yeah, I can't. Aw, it's gonna miss me. Oh, flip. The new hourly opening candle. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it's just gonna miss me. I don't think it's gonna come get me. Texas, not a lot. Yeah. No. Not a lot. Nice, Nick. So do you trade or not really? Do you want to start trading? What's your plan? Texas, is it worth it? I don't know. Well, I mean, no, I guess, I mean, you could buy, I guess, a prop account. So I guess, maybe. Ah, you bugger. Why didn't you come and get me? That's so rude. Seven, 8, 2. Yeah. Oh? Let's see, it might come a tiny bit further down to get me. Oh, that's not great. This is gonna be bad. Anyways, Marzio, you missed yesterday. I saw. I hope everything is okay. Oh, thanks, Karen. I appreciate it. Seriously? 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 What the heck was that? That missed me by a tick. That was, anyways. Okay. Probably shouldn't watch it. I feel like it knows when you start watching it and then it kind of does not do. Anyways. Shashank? No. No. This is Nasdaq futures. And this now looks like a shift down. Excuse me? How did that not tag me in? Okay, now I'm in. Nick, you want to start trading just long-term investing right now? Scared to use my own capital. I'll learn it. Nick, oh gosh, this is going to take me out one shot. Anyways, just let it run its course. Starga, really? Interesting. Do you see a lot of people? Yeah. Yeah, Starga, I agree with you with regards to paper trading doesn't teach you the mental and emotional side at all, unfortunately. Yeah. So, you know, paper trading is not bad if you're trying to figure out a strategy. There it is. That was... Wow. Cool, that was a loss. Not a lot, but it was a loss. Okay, 1 of 10, and at least I took it. Sorry, my main thing used to be that I was overthinking so much that I wouldn't take trades. So I'm never going to be upset about taking trades, especially because I do risk management with regards to them. So Unlux, that was a loss. And this is number 1 of 10. I'm back to the beginning. This time I'm not going to be making any break evens. 1 of 10. And add another text, and then I say what happened and why. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What happened? This is all just because of that opening candle, and it's just now going, cool, let's go for it. Cool, cool. Anyways, let's see, is it going to now be bearish? Is it gonna actually decide what it wants to do? Hopefully. Oh, nice, Texas. Okay, okay. Night, this is number 1 of the new 10. Exodus, the lines, my lines? These lines? Which lines? There's a lot of lines. Oh, Marzi, it's okay. Like I said, it's not like I placed a lot. That was $41. Yeah, Nick, it's good. It's good. I gotta, you know, it's kind of like journaling in a way. Yeah, I mean, it is. It's journaling. Kyle, what are we thinking for, I mean, now that there's some momentum? You know what? I don't even want to try and assume what it's going to do. I really thought it would at least take the liquidity before having a meltdown, but it did not. Also have a good area to drop to Monday's opening range. Ooh, nice. The 15-minute just looks sideways. That is it. It's just going sideways. That's what the 15-minute looks like. Went for the fair value gap. Oh, it did. Yep. Is it going to keep going down now, though? Kyle, yep. I'm not gonna lie, this is not great. $173, a target looking for entry. Oh, okay, Ronnie, let's see. And Stargo, you are short. No. Barnett, no, never. Never more than 3%. Vishal, hey, how's it going? Trade together, you think long? What are we buying? Good question. Well, we are in the Nasdaq futures. QW, okay. See, that's what I was thinking. I was just a little bit early, apparently. Or was I? No, stop that. Let's see if this pops back down again. That was annoying, but oh well. Solly, hey, where have you been? Anyway, probably gonna sweep Asia low. Okay, I see. Papa Bear? No, I do not. Think you want to check for market come 251. Oh, thanks, Michelle. I appreciate it. Oh, thanks, LP. Yeah, guys, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, if you guys are having fun and learning together, damn it. That would have been a goodie. Oh well. Well, that was annoying. But it's fine. Let's see, we've had some confirmation. This could still, it's gone past there. This now could be, this now could be, this now could be. Do I get in a quick on a short? Potential little bit of liquidity grab there. This is just gonna keep going down. This might just keep going down. Nice. Take this. Yeah, apparently. Look at that. Hey, Boom. Look at you. I'm glad you were able to sleep a little bit. That's good. Nick, these lines, so I just call them the liquidity lines, where I think it could potentially be heading to maybe get a liquidity grab in order to get some movement going. Thomas comes in the afternoon generally. Ronnie, watch 137 close. Okay. So Ronnie, you think it's gonna go down to 137, which does validate this as well. I'm just saying. Do 4 again. Yes, this isn't the best one. This is not the best one. Okay. Not the best entry or best trade. Texas, what's that? Does what not bother me? Ooh, okay. Okay, Papa Bear. Cool name, by the way. Stargate, you only trade crypto. Aiden, you can't go in, you ain't ready. Nope, Boom, you did not miss. anything. London has just been, I don't even think boring can describe it. So you're long one if 137 holds. Papa, no. Oh, I'm about to. Wait. Hasn't taken that. It did take that. This could pop up more and it could screw me. It could. Let's see. Absolute Freak 67. What about 67? Is that where your TP is? That where you think it's heading? Ah. Well, that's quite cool. That's quite cool. I love tech. What? Maria, you think this is gonna go up? I'm not sure. I'm gonna stick with it. I might be stupid and then you guys can just say I told you so, but I'm gonna stick with it. Vishal, sorry, did I ignore you? Might be. Chris, yeah, that's why I said, yeah. Papa Bear, ignore him. Just ignore him. 152 then drops. I'm happy with that. That's cool. That's fine, Kiko. Money for Zimbabweans. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Tube Treasures, I started this day with a bit of a bearish bias. I tried this long because there was a bit of a break, obviously on the lower time frames, but there was a break of structure, and I really thought it would be trying to grab this liquidity at the 166 level. It did not, clearly. Like I said, I'm still feeling bearish. I think it's just because it's still pretty bearish on ES as well. Well, no, it's just sideways, actually. ES is just sideways right now. Ah, thanks, Papa Bear. I appreciate you being polite. Thanks, LP. Well, let's see. Oh wait, let me maybe put my TP in now. That's gonna take me out or not, but now it's hands off, right? Hands off. Rolf, hey, what's up? Smart. Yeah, it is, Tube. It is. Chris? Yeah, why not? Pop me an email. Oh, shot, what's my favorite color? To be fair, I don't even think I have a favorite color. I know that's a bit weird, but I don't think I have one. Nakabamba, that's... I believe the same thing. It's why I took this. I could be wrong. I know a lot of people are in buys right now. So let's see. Hell yeah, Stargo. That's exactly. that's what people say. They're like, is this easy? I'm like, no. And this is not a quick, you know, you don't get in this to make quick, easy money. Potential for freedom later on in life, sure. I think that it can really be the way to go. But yeah. Rich, red? Are you saying red is your favorite color? You're saying I'm in the red, because I am in the red for today so far. And it is what it is. Oh, sorry, my bad. 52 not being greedy in bearish territory. Okay. Papa Bear, yes I do. I'm in a cell. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, thanks, bro. Well, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't wick me out with 4. It wants to go down. But I am just hands off now. That was the deal with the new 1 of 10. I'm not going break even. I'm not doing anything. I'm just hands off. I'm letting the strategy do what the strategy's gotta do. Michelle, why? Mahi, hi. How are you? Oh no, Rich, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay, Michelle, that's so corny. Okay. Oh, jeezy. My legs. Dying. No, I'm watching. Let's not do that. Let's not watch. Anyways, how's everyone else's day looking so far? Ronnie, are you asking about how much I've tested my strategy? Sorry, hiccups are driving me crazy. Damn, Val, well done. That's amazing. Arturo, hi. Is there anyone here that uses order flow? Ronnie. Ronnie, so that's actually what I'm doing now. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I did 10 trades earlier where I took break evens, and I think there was 6 break evens in total. 3 were winners, 3 were losses. However, with a 1 to 2 hour trade, that means you are losing on profit. So now I'm going to do 1 of 10 trades where I do not go break even. It's literally hands off, leave the trade alone until it's done. And then after this, I'm going to try taking partials at 1R. Yeah, taking partials at 1R. And then potentially break. Let's see. But yeah, so that's the plan. So this is now 2 of 10 trades. Yeah, that's the plan. Papa Bear, you wish you could sleep. Why can't you go sleep? Don't say why. Okay. Vishal, you won, but at what cost? Ronnie, so I took, like I said, I took 10 trades. I think 6 were break even, and no? Yes, 6. So 3 were losses, 3 were wins. So it was like a 50-50. Is Vincent what? Roll. Nice. So glad you're able to quickly reverse when you're wrong, and boom, baby! Awesome! And now, just like that, we are back up in the green for today. That was nice. Okay. That was awesome. Winning! Whoop whoop! Anyone else need a whoop whoop? I can happily spread whoop whoops around. Who else gets a whoop whoop? Right, LP, everyone here is being so pleasant. I mean, one or two people, but general. So this is 2 of 10. 22. Awesome. Notes. Lovely win. And oh, okay, now there could be a reversal. Let's see. However, guys, I might have to leave a tad bit early. Maybe these were the only 2 trades I could have gotten in. Like I said, unfortunately, the vet. You know, why do people never stick with what they were gonna say? Anyways. Michelle, what's the difference between you and me? Money from Zimbabwe, you did, you called it. Nice, nice. Solly. Whoop whoop. Nakabamba. Well done. Rolf, no, she's just coming to give like a vaccine, like a vaccine that they have to have. So down here we have African horse sickness. It's really bad. And they have to get the vaccine before a specific time, before the mosquitoes and things come, so yay. And they were coming and they were saying, oh, we'll come at midday, which would have been perfect for me. Literally, they were like, between 11:30 or 12 and 1, and I was like, amazing, that's perfect. Then I got a message saying, oh, they're like an hour away. I'm like, oh, that's not good, because I have their passports and they need to stamp and sign passports and an ad. A bit of a pain in the butt. Did I win big? No. No, I did not, Papa Bear. Well, I mean, I'm in the green. Green is green. I'm not going to be complaining about green. I do think now that I can start being a little bit more confident. So I did say that I lost a little bit of confidence. I had a really bad red week 2 weeks ago. Yes, 2 weeks ago. It smashed my confidence, which is when I started doing the 10 trades. And saying just take them no matter what. It helped with the overthinking. Now that I'm feeling a little bit more confident, I should be upping the amount. I think I must start doing that, at least in New York. Start upping the amount, start being a little bit more confident with regards to the trades. Like I said, that was good. Obviously the first one was a little bit sucky, but I'm not upset about it because I liked how it looked when I took it. It just is what it is. Have I heard of Pikecoin? No. Rolf, we're in Africa, so I'm in South Africa. KZN, to be more specific. Harold, I do not. Would that be... Oh, thank you, Marzia. Can I say Autobots roll out? Why? Okay, anyway. LP, yeah? David, I actually do have a headband. It's just brown. It's just a brown one. Sorry. There we go, David. So no war crimes going on. It's just not white. Villager style trading. What's up, bro? Whoop whoop. Amazing. Yay. Marshad, I mean, I don't know if you can see. If you're on the vertical, I don't think you can see. If you're in the the horizontal, you can see everything. You can see my balance. You can see everything. You can see I'm up $35.44 for now. I still have New York session to go. Harold, sure, I can. David, I'm not. Okay, guys. I think unfortunately, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to call it early today, but I am back for New York session. So I am back for the New York session. So I will be back this afternoon. Sir, I had no, not a funded account yet. No, I'm still on an eval. That's valid, David. That's true. Okay, but yes, I'm gonna then call it there for today. So just a little teaser. Just a little teaser. It's going to come into effect soon. It is going to be limited to only 50 people, especially just to begin with, because like I said, I want it to be a loving community where everyone can now really get together and start sharing properly. But I will be giving a shout out when it officially becomes live, and then you guys can all join the Discord. It will be awesome. But yes. anyways, I'm gonna head out. Sorry guys, like I said, I apologize that I'm leaving a little bit early today. Unfortunately, you know, being an adult sucks. You've got to do things. But I love you guys madly, and hopefully I will see you then for the New York session. Yes, let's do this. But see you then, New York session. You guys were amazing. You guys were awesome today, by the way. It was so much fun. I'm glad I managed to actually get 2 trades. Okay, let me go. I love you guys madly. Bye.